fidget toy set. I bought it on Amazon and it arrived today. There's so much inside and I'm so excited to open it. There's tape, so okay, got it there. Okay. Let's open the mystery fidget box. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's so much inside. Look. Oh my god. It's. I don't know, guys. Look. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh my god. This sticker man. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Oh my god, so pretty. This is an infinite something, I forgot. It's like you can form it like so many times. Look how satisfying it is. It's a cube and then a triangle, rectangle. Whee. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Okay. Yeah. Anyways, what is this? Oh, yeah, I forgot. It was. What? It's a chicken.
Chicken. Pew, pew.
Chicken wing. I'm gonna cook it later. Bombastic side. Okay. I'm pretty sure it has a hole inside. It's like this. Yeah, it's like this, I think. Wait. It's like you have to hold it from his tail, and then you have to put a finger like this, and I'm gonna shoot it. Oh no, chicken wing! Look, let me do it. Put it inside. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Whoa. I'm so sorry, chicken. You're dead. Repeat, chicken. I'm gonna put it here. What? Anyways. There's wacky trackies. There's two of them. This is this orange and yellow one. Yellow? Sorry. Orange and green. Look. So satisfying. So satisfying. There's another one. It's a blue and red, I think. So pretty. And oh yeah, there's a green chicken and a blue chicken. Chicken is your friends. It's your sibling. Okay. Anyways. Oh my god, I know this. It's like an infinity thing, but I'm scared to yeah. I'm not gonna scramble it because I like this color. You can see it. Wow.
Larissa, can you show me that ball?
Why?
I need to find out how to make this back.
Sorry. I will show you later. And then, oh my god, I know this rings. Look, you have to do like this. It's like a swing. It's so cool. like a ring. This is a close-up. This is a black color, and this one is a red one. I like it because it's metal. And it's so satisfying. Anyways. Oh my god! A peanut! It has faces! There's a keychain I can put it in my bag. Look. Ah! Oh my god! This one is like a dog. Oh no. Okay, no. This one is like a dog. This one is like a smiley face. And it's so cool. And it's pink. This is a close-up. And this is the figures. This is the figures. Yeah! Okay, anyways. Oh, there's another one. It's the peas one. That's free. Oh, that's so cute. Anyways, this one is the boss because it has face and the other one has no face. So look, this is the face. It's like the dog again. Like you can see. And the other one is just like plain. They don't have any faces. It's super fun. It's squishy. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. There's so much. Look. Ah! Don't fall. Oh no. Okay. So this is the orange. There's two orange. So satisfying. There's two of these.
Every single piece you can move from here. Every single piece you can move in.
Oh my god, that's so pretty.
So basically every single piece can be moving. You can make anything that you want.
Give me it.
Yeah, one second, let me do the last one, please. Look.
Look what my dad made. It's like a straight line. It's super cool. It's like a pattern. You can bend it. Smiley face. Yeah, you can bend it. So pretty. And for like the puppet thing. You're talking about this thing, right? Oh yeah. So you can do like so much with it. You can like do like this. Rah, rah, rah. I'm a bunny. Bunny, bunny, bunny. There's a bunny too. Have long fingertail. What about shifts?
So,
Okay, that's done. Okay. So yeah. What is this? different colors. There's orange, there's pink, there's blue, and there's green and purple. Look, I will give it a close up. There are fairies. There's the orange one. Maybe, oh yeah, it's for your hair. For example, I have hair. And let me use the orange one. And then you can like tie it. And I have this. Super fun. It's actually super cool. Now. Okay. Where's the salted? Put it. Let me use a different color then. I'm gonna use this blue. There we go. It looks so cool. See the fun and cool. Orange! Let me take this off now. Oh gosh. Stop. Done. Okay, and there's noodles! 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 Ew! I have a beard. A beard. A mustache. Okay, anyways. There's blue that I'll show you. There's yellow. Oh no! Oh no! Come back! Don't. Yeah. Anyways. There. And there's pink. And there's purple. These are super stretchy and scented. This one smells like grapes. This one smells like blueberries, I think. I don't know. This one smells like banana. This one smells like strawberry. This is good. This is my favorite one. Anyways. Oh. Hey! How'd this one get out? You're sneaky. Oh, this puppet, little puppet. I don't need this. If you want this, you can have it. And this is the final one. This big puppet. So this is all I have. So